At dawn, a jittery corgi paces the kitchen like an alarm clock, while a cat snoozes through clattering bowls. The human morning routine mirrors the pet's as the owner brushes teeth, while a parrot rehearses a dramatic pose. Midday break finds the dog guarding the couch while a kid raids the fridge, negotiating snack diplomacy. On busy streets, pigeons imitate delivery cyclists as a street performer joins in, turning traffic into a tiny parade. Night falls and the cat chases a laser like a high-speed chase, while the owner sighs at the absurd harmony.